At the dawn of ancient Egypt, a tale of eternal love unfolds. In the age of gods, on the fertile banks of the Nile, ruled the divine couple, Isis and Osiris. Born from Geb, the earth god, and Nut, the sky goddess, Osiris and Isis were destined to rule. But their brother, Seth, also a child of the divine, watched with a heart full of envy. Osiris, the god of life and agriculture, taught humanity the art of farming, his power flowing with the Nile's annual flood, bringing fertility to the land. Isis, the goddess of magic and motherhood, possessed unparalleled mystical knowledge, using her powers to protect her people and heal the sick. Their love was the foundation of a golden era, bringing civilization and prosperity to the land of Egypt. But this harmony was envied by their brother, Seth, who coveted Osiris's throne. At a grand feast, Seth presented a magnificent chest, promising it to whoever fit perfectly inside. One by one, the gods tried and failed. When Osiris lay down within it, the lid was slammed shut, sealed, and cast into the great Nile. Heartbroken, Isis wandered the earth, her cries echoing in the wind. She searched tirelessly for her beloved husband. Her journey led her to the shores of Phoenicia, where the chest had washed ashore, encased within the trunk of a mighty tree. She brought Osiris's body back to Egypt, hiding it in the marshes. But Seth's treachery knew no bounds. Discovering the hidden sarcophagus, he flew into a rage, dismembering Osiris's body into 14 pieces and scattering them across the land. Isis's love, however, was stronger than death and despair. With her sister Nephthys, she embarked on a second, more sorrowful quest. She painstakingly gathered each piece of her husband's body. Using her powerful magic, she reassembled Osiris, performing the first rite of embalmment. Transformed into a bird, she hovered over his restored form, fanning the breath of life back into him, and conceiving their son, Horus. Though Osiris could no longer rule in the land of the living, he became the just king of the underworld, a symbol of eternal life and resurrection. Their son, Horus, would rise to avenge his father and restore order to the world. Horus, now a powerful god, challenged Seth to a series of contests to reclaim the throne. After many fierce battles, Horus emerged victorious, banishing Seth to the desert and restoring justice to the kingdom. The love of Isis and Osiris became an eternal legend, a testament to devotion, sacrifice, and the ultimate triumph of life over death.
Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. See ya!